back to another Crafternoon with Mandy. We have a really fun art plus science equals fun craft for you today that only requires 2, technically 3 ingredients. And it's very sensory. You can sculpt with it. It's called cloud dough, and I'm going to show you how to make it. I think it's really gross, but again, similar to the puffy paint, it is very fun to play with, and it only requires a couple of household ingredients. So I thought it might be fun to give it a try. So all you'll need for this is cornstarch, hair conditioner, which I just took from my bathroom, and once again, my favorite craft supply of all time, liquid watercolors. I'm going to use red and blue. I'm only going to do 2 colors this time, but feel free to do as many as you would like. All right, let's see how this goes. Okay, so you're going to have to do a little bit of eyeballing for texture here, but you're looking for about a 2-to-1 ratio of cornstarch to hair conditioner. So what you might want to start with is just about a tablespoon or so in each dish, or however many colors you're going to mix up, and then start adding conditioner. And this smells really good. It's going to make our hands smell really good too, and probably make them really soft as well, which we need with all the hand sanitizer and hand washing we've been up to these days. And I'm going to keep going with this until it looks like a pliable sort of dough. Okay, I've done some mixing. I had to add a little bit more cornstarch, but just keep mixing. The texture of it will change over the course of your mixing, and cornstarch is really just a thickener. So essentially what this is a thick conditioner that you're going to put food coloring in. So it looks a little bit crumbly like this, like it's just starting to hold together. And in this bowl, I've gotten to the point where I can start, it'll hold together in a ball like this until you start getting like this Play-Doh-like consistency. I might need a little bit more conditioner in this because it's a little bit crumbly, but we are certainly getting there with this. Okay, we are there. It is a bit of a process of adding a little of this, a little of that to get it to be the right texture. But it's actually really fun to feel how it changes as you add more cornstarch and more conditioner. So we're definitely at a Play-Doh-like consistency here. It's kind of like silly putty and Play-Doh mixed together, because you can sort of stretch it like that or rip it like that. At this point, we're going to add color, and I'll show you how we do that. I changed my mind at the last second and decided to do purple and yellow. Add a couple of drops of dye to each one of your dough balls and begin mixing and kneading them together to mix it in. I might suggest mixing up your lighter color before the darker color so that you don't have cross-contamination of your lighter color from your darker color. Whew, okay, I've got 2 pieces of dough, lavender and yellow. And I'm gonna start sculpting. I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet, but I think that I have an idea. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, with my cloud dough, I did my artistic interpretation of my little cat Frank. He's not purple, he's a tiger cat, but I think he has a bit of a purple personality, so I think it's very fitting. I hope no one is terrified of this, but I never claimed to be a sculptor. That's Frank with dough that I made using hair conditioner and cornstarch, and you can do this at home just as easily. Anyway, that's it for another Crafternoon with Mandy. We hope to see you again real soon. Bye!